Hi! Becoming an advocate on record at the Supreme Court is a powerful milestone. But building a network of corporate clients from scratch can take a long time. Here is a faster approach: cultivating relationships with law firm partners who already handle Supreme Court matters. Let's dive into how this can create direct pathways to AOR work for you. Corporate law firms have clients with high stakes cases that often reach the Supreme Court. While they hire senior counsels for arguments, AOR work does not have these strict mandates. Some law firms have in house AORs, but many cannot afford them due to the high costs. Instead, they turn to external AORs, creating an opportunity for those who qualify. As law firm AORs become more senior, busier, and costlier, partners increasingly seek younger, reliable AORs. If you can network with corporate litigation and disputes partners, they could start referring you work once you qualify. This saves them time and resources while giving you direct access to valuable AOR opportunities. Partners at law firms are highly focused on client work but also need to build their brands. They want fame and recognition as industry thought leaders and are eager to publish, speak at events, and share success stories. But time is a constant barrier. This is where you come in. By helping them build their brand, you create lasting connections and position yourself as a valuable asset. Many lawyers are too busy to create the public presence they need to stay competitive. You can assist with content creation, social media management, media outreach, and more. Helping partners build a presence gives you insight into the field and opens doors for internships, recommendations, and eventually AOR work. Here are some effective ways to add value. Build a YouTube channel, conduct interviews, find engaging topics, handle editing, and post content. Twitter threads. Post weekly insights from the partner's perspective. Then you have articles. Research and write articles they can publish, boosting their visibility. And finally, podcast features. Help them get invited to industry podcasts to reach a broader audience. Here is a sample message you can use to approach partners. Say, for example, you write, "Hi, partner's name. I would love to help make your law firm's blog more active by publishing weekly articles and assisting with media outreach. In return, I would be grateful for a recommendation. If you find my work valuable, remote freelance work would also be welcome. Here is some of my previous work. You can insert the links. Consider offering 1 month of support for free. By showing your impact, partners may hire you for further assistance or recommend you. This also demonstrates your commitment to building a professional relationship and adds immediate value to them. Initially, completing a few free assignments can be valuable if you're gathering testimonials. These endorsements from established law firm partners will enhance your credibility and attract more work, accelerating your career in ways that traditional networking alone cannot achieve. Take the example of Amit Tiwari, a young lawyer based in Ahmedabad who aspired to build a Supreme Court practice. After joining LawSikho, he revamped his LinkedIn profile, consistently posted content, and networked with AORs. By attending LawSikho's bootcamp, Amit improved his skills in drafting and representation. Soon he began handling Supreme Court cases, recovering his expenses in just 3 months. He has now attended over 25 matters, argued 6 cases successfully, and manages Supreme Court briefs regularly. While working towards the AOR exam, focus on establishing a corporate litigation practice. Traditional litigation areas like civil, criminal, and family law are highly saturated. Corporations, on the other hand, consistently need legal support and are more likely to have the means to pay well. This practice can sustain you financially while helping you build your reputation and skills. Corporate clients face continuous legal issues in areas like contract enforcement, shareholder disputes, tax litigation, and more. MSMEs, startups, and large companies all require litigation support. In fact, as of 2023, there were over 1.6 million active companies in India, with about 15,000 to 20,000 new registrations each month, offering a growing market for skilled litigators. Common corporate litigation areas include contract disputes and enforcement, tax and regulatory litigation, employee issues such as breaches of non competes, intellectual property disputes, loan recovery cases for banks and NBFCs. In India, sectors like real estate, consumer goods, healthcare, and digital media often face high litigation volumes. These industries provide ample work for litigators. Working with corporate clients while preparing for the AOR exam gives you a ready network to draw on after you qualify. By proving your expertise now, they will be more likely to entrust their Supreme Court appeals and SLPs to you once you're certified. This approach builds trust and ensures they will value your AOR designation. Startups are often overlooked by litigators, but they can be an ideal client base. Many startups need regular legal support as they scale. When they grow, they will rely on the people who supported them from the beginning. Helping them early on will lead to loyal clients and steady work as they expand into litigation, regulatory, and arbitration needs. If you are ready to kickstart your career and gain AOR expertise, join us for our 3-day live online bootcamp. This immersive session will provide actionable techniques for building networks, enhancing your brand, and positioning yourself for high quality AOR work. Don't miss out, reserve your spot, and set a reminder to join us live. This is your chance to learn the strategic roadmap to AOR success.